Hey, I'm Stephen Layfield with Mossy Properties. I'm out here in beautiful Crawford County, Georgia today with my buddy Jed, helping me look at some property. If you have been on the fence at all about the next property to buy, this is it. This is a game changer. This will change your mind. A little over 80 acres, multiple creek, huge timber, good roads, great hunting, great deer, and an awesome home site. So if you're looking for a good piece of property, you've been on the fence, come see me down here at Crawford County with Mossy Properties.